Hi, I'm going to show you how to make our felt name banner today. First, gather all of your materials and cut out the paper templates for the letters or symbols you want to use. I'm making the name Penelope today, so I have all those letters. You need one 4-inch piece of felt for each letter or symbol, so I have 8 pieces of felt. Let's get started. I'm going to demonstrate the sewing with the letter P, but all the same principles can be used for any letter or symbol. First, trace the template twice onto the piece of felt using the fabric marker. Next, cut out the 2 pieces you just traced. The letter is sewn together with a whip stitch. So place the 2 pieces on top of each other, with the right sides facing out, and insert your needle from back to front through the top layer of felt only. This will hide the knot. Then, insert your needle through both layers of felt from back to front, and pull it through. This will wrap the stitch around the edge and create a whip stitch. So once again, back to front and pull it through. Back to front and pull it through. Continue whip stitching all the way around the edge of the letter. Now when you've stitched all the way around the letter, you're going to take a few stitches in place. Then, pull your needle through the previous loops of your stitches and snip the end. And now the first letter is all done. And now you repeat these steps to sew all of the other letters. It's time to string the banner. Thread your needle onto one end of the cord. This can be a little tricky because the cord is kind of thick. So make a fresh cut to get a nice blunt end on the cord to get it through the needle. It might take a couple tries. But once you have the cord threaded on the needle, you're going to take your first letter or symbol of the banner and then use the paper template as a guide. Enter the needle on the left side of the letter or symbol, and then push the needle through, just through both layers. Don't catch either of the layers, but pass it through, and then use that template for the exit point and pull it out. The gray line that we're using on the templates here is a little hard to see in the video, but in real life it's easy to see. So to do the next letter, simply do it exactly the same way. Use the template as a guide to enter your needle, and then pull it through both layers, being careful not to catch either layer, but just string it through. And then again, use the gray line on the template for the exit point of your needle on the right side of your letter or symbol, and pull the needle through. String all the other letters and symbols onto your banner in the same way. Once you've strung them all on, arrange the letters to have the right amount of space between them, and then cut the end of the cord to get the length you want. And you're all done!